Australia is a land of unique and often bizarre creatures, a place where the natural world seems to have let its imagination run wild. Few, however, capture the imagination quite like the platypus, an animal that seems to defy all conventional categories. This shy semi-aquatic mammal is a true enigma, a patchwork of seemingly disparate features borrowed from across the animal kingdom. With its duck-like bill, webbed feet, and beaver-like tail, it looks like a creature from a child's fantasy book. The platypus appears to be a creature cobbled together from spare parts, yet each of these parts serves a specific purpose. Yet this unusual anatomy is not a mistake. It is a testament to millions of years of evolution, perfectly honed to its environment and lifestyle. Its bill, for instance, is equipped with electroreceptors that help it detect prey underwater. The platypus is a captivating example of nature's creativity and resilience. It thrives in its watery habitat, using its webbed feet to swim gracefully and its tail to store fat for leaner times. It is a living fossil, a member of an ancient lineage that has remained largely unchanged for millions of years. This ancient lineage links it to a time when dinosaurs roamed the earth. Its very existence challenges our understanding of the evolutionary tree and reminds us of the incredible diversity of life on Earth. The platypus stands as a symbol of the mysteries that still await discovery in the natural world. The platypus's most striking feature is undoubtedly its bill. This unique structure is not just for show, it plays a crucial role in the animal's survival. Unlike the hard, bony beak of a duck, the platypus's bill is a soft, rubbery structure covered in sensitive electroreceptors. These electroreceptors are highly specialized and allow the platypus to navigate and hunt in murky waters where visibility is low. These receptors allow the platypus to detect the faint electrical fields generated by its prey, primarily insect larvae and crustaceans, hiding in the riverbed. This ability is particularly useful during nighttime or in muddy waters where other senses might fail. Adding to its unusual appearance are the webbed feet, which propel the platypus through the water with surprising agility. These webbed feet are not just for swimming, they also help the platypus to maneuver quickly and efficiently, making it a formidable hunter in its aquatic environment. The webbing is particularly pronounced on the front feet, and when the platypus is on land, the webbing folds back, revealing sharp claws used for digging burrows. These claws are essential for creating the intricate burrow systems where the platypus lives and raises its young. The broad, flat tail, reminiscent of a beaver's, serves as both a rudder for swimming and a storage unit for fat reserves. This tail is multifunctional, aiding in balance and steering while swimming and providing essential energy reserves during times of food scarcity. The platypus is endemic to eastern Australia, making its home in freshwater rivers and streams. It prefers waterways with plenty of vegetation cover and submerged logs and roots, which provide shelter and hunting grounds. The platypus is a skilled burrower, excavating tunnels in the riverbanks above the waterline. These burrows can be quite extensive, sometimes reaching over 30 feet in length, and they serve as safe havens for rest, nesting, and raising young. The platypus is a solitary creature, and individuals typically maintain separate territories along the waterways. The platypus is primarily crepuscular, meaning it is most active during dawn and dusk hours. This behavior helps it avoid predators and capitalize on the abundance of prey that emerge during these transitional periods. When hunting, the platypus closes its eyes, ears, and nostrils, relying solely on its electroreceptors to navigate and locate food. It sweeps its bill back and forth like a metal detector, pinpointing the electrical signals emitted by its prey. Once detected, the platypus uses its powerful claws to dig up the riverbed and capture its meal. Despite its gentle appearance, the platypus is a carnivore. Its diet consists mainly of aquatic invertebrates, including insect larvae, worms, shrimp, and yabbies. They also consume tadpoles, small fish, and frogs when available. The platypus has no teeth. Instead, it uses grinding pads located on its upper and lower jaws to crush its food. It stores captured prey in cheek pouches while foraging and then rises to the surface to consume its meal. The platypus needs to eat approximately 20% of its body weight in food each day to sustain its energy levels. The platypus is one of the few mammals that lay eggs, making it a unique and fascinating creature in the animal kingdom. During the breeding season, which typically occurs between June and October, females retreat to their burrows to construct a nest chamber. This period is crucial for the survival of the next generation. They line the nest with leaves and grasses to create a soft and humid environment for their eggs. This careful preparation ensures that the eggs are kept at the right temperature and humidity levels. Females usually lay 1 to 3 leathery shelled eggs and incubate them for about 10 days. The incubation period is a time of great vigilance for the mother. Once hatched, the tiny, blind and hairless young are entirely dependent on their mothers for nourishment. The mother's role becomes even more critical as she provides constant care and protection. Remarkably, while the platypus lays eggs, it also produces milk to feed its offspring. This dual reproductive strategy is rare and highlights the platypus's unique place among mammals. However, unlike other mammals, the platypus lacks nipples. This unusual feature sets it apart from other milk-producing animals. Instead, milk is secreted through pores in the skin, forming pools within the mother's abdominal fur, which the young lap up. This method of feeding ensures that the young receive the necessary nutrients to grow and develop. When European naturalists first encountered the platypus in the late 18th century, they were met with disbelief. The creature's bizarre appearance seemed so improbable that many believed it to be a hoax. Some even suspected that it was a Frankensteinian creation, stitched together from parts of other animals. It took several decades of scientific study and debate before the platypus was finally accepted as a genuine species. Even today, the platypus retains an air of mystery and wonder. In Aboriginal Australian mythology, the platypus holds a special place, often featured in creation stories and revered for its unique qualities. The platypus, while not currently endangered, faces numerous threats. Habitat loss due to deforestation, pollution, and climate change poses significant challenges to their survival. Introduced predators, such as foxes and feral cats, also prey on platypus, further impacting their populations. Recognizing the importance of protecting this unique species, Australia has implemented conservation measures, including habitat restoration projects and public awareness campaigns. The platypus stands as a symbol of Australia's biodiversity and the importance of preserving the delicate balance of nature.